Hello there, welcome to the question 7 of the exam practice medley. So this question is to calculate the area of the front face of the wedge. Now it's very nice of them to point where the front face is. So area, what shape, triangle, what formula. So the formula is half the base times the height. I hope that is what you learn and how you rhyme in your GCSE maths lessons before. So write that out. That would give you 1 mark. So the base is 50 millimeter and 30 millimeter for the height. So put that in. So half of 30, that's 15 times 50. So notice I changed the base to height. Doesn't matter really. So really that's your base. Okay. So in fact I can half 15, which is easier because 25 half of 50 is 25. 25 times 3 at the node, which is going to be 750, isn't it? So it's 750 millimeter square. Okay, so make sure you include the unit. So let me just double check. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so the next thing they ask is what is the volume of the wedge? Okay, so the volume, let's give you some reminder. In GCSE maths, if you recall, any prism, okay, that any prism, doesn't matter what the front face is, the volume of this face, if it's called prism, is that is many of this same shape stacked up together to form a sort of a what we call a prism. So how much depth you are stacking is what you can multiply that front cross-sectional surface area by this depth. So since we work out the cross-sectional area of this front face, and it's many of these triangles stacked together, and how many times they stack together is stacked together of a depth of 5 millimeters. So all you have to do is take that. So it's the area, volume is the area times the depth. Okay, but not just any area, it's got to be the cross-sectional area. And in this case, the cross-sectional area is the front face. Okay, so if you pick that as your cross-sectional area, then what you would have got, if you times by, then you would have expected to be this. So therefore, this will never be your cross-sectional area. It will be incorrect to pick that. So is this one? You do not pick that section as your cross-sectional area either. So it's got to be that. Okay, to make up this so-called prism. Okay, so without further on about this, then I would just move that up, take that off. So therefore, it's simply volume is equal to 750 times 5. If you wished, you can do it in your head, but just for the sake of speed and just in case I make an error, 3750. So 3750 millimeter cube. Okay, so again, it's cube for volume. So let me just double check. The mark scheme: 750 for the area, 3750 for the units, for the volume. Oh, done. Okay, so that's could be done quite quickly if I didn't explain in details. So there we are. That's how you do this. Thank you.